This 2026 Keystone Arcadia Super Lite 308 SLBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Grand Terrace, California, 92313 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center Grand Terrace. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a hemp interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.